This is the level 2. Join sentences with and, but, so drill video for the word but. But shows contrast. Listen and repeat. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. She is tired, but she is happy. She is tired, but she is happy. He is young, but he is very serious. He is young, but he is very serious. It is cold today, but the sun is out. It is cold today, but the sun is out. I want to go, but I don't have time. I want to go, but I don't have time. The house is small, but it is comfortable. The house is small, but it is comfortable. Repeat this drill until you can say each of these sentences easily.